if I told you that the internet is full of people right now, making money while they're at the gym, asleep, or watching Netflix by selling products they created once and never had to touch again? No inventory, no customer service, no need to be on camera. Heck, some of them never even use their own voice. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, it's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money online right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using nothing but AI tools and a laptop. And don't worry, even if you've never sold anything before, don't know how to design, or don't want to show your face, this is still for you. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to AI Money Secrets, your go-to channel for turning AI into real income. Now, I get it. There are a million make money online videos out there, and honestly, half of them are either too technical or too scammy. But today's method is 100% legit, requires zero upfront investment, and it's something I personally believe anyone can start, even if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a reliable side hustle. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to create a digital product using AI design, it beautifully using Canva list, it on Etsy or Gumroad, promote it without showing your face, and turn it into passive income. Sound good? Smash that like and subscribe button. I am going to create a series of videos on different methods of making money online using AI. This is the first video of that series. You will find out the other videos in the playlist section on my channel. I will add link in the description. Now let's get started. Step 1. What is a digital product? Let's begin at the beginning. What the heck is a digital product? Think about the last time you downloaded a PDF planner, bought a Canva template, or used a Notion workspace from someone online. That's a digital product. No physical shipping, no handling, just instant download. They come in all forms: budget planners, fitness trackers, Instagram post templates, wedding checklists, study guides, meal prep charts, digital journals. And here's the best part: you create it once and sell it over and over again. You could be sleeping and someone across the world downloads your product. That's passive income. You're not just creating a digital product, but you are creating a digital asset that can generate passive income for you. Selling digital products is by far one of the most simple, quick, and most profitable ways to start earning passive income. And the best part, we're not just going to create it from scratch. We're going to let AI do most of the work for us. Step 2, choosing a profitable niche. Now let's find out the profitable niche. This is where most beginners get stuck. What do I make? Here's the secret. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to solve a problem. Let me give you 5 solid niches that are hot right now. 1. Personal finance. People want to save money, manage debt, and plan their budget. Digital ideas, budget planners, expense trackers, saving challenges. This is best for those who have interest in Excel, finance, and budgeting. 2. Productivity. We're all trying to get more done in less time. Digital ideas, daily planners, Notion dashboards, time blocking templates. If you are good with time management, then this will be the good niche for you to start with. 3. Health and wellness. Fitness is evergreen, and mental health is trending. Digital ideas, meal prep templates, gym logs, mindfulness journals. If you are into fitness, yoga, and exercises, then this can excite you. 4th, education students and teachers are always looking for structure. Digital ideas, study plans, flashcard templates, academic calendars. This niche is best for the teachers, professors, or if you like to teach others. 5. Creators, small biz. This is huge. Content creators are buying templates to save time. Digital ideas, Instagram post bundles, content calendars, lead magnet templates. Still not sure what to make? Here's a trick. Go to Etsy.com or Gumroad.com and type in digital plus your niche. Look at the top selling items. That's what people want. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to create the product. Now you know what is digital product and how to find niche. Let's dive into the next step to create product using ChatGPT. Now comes the cool part. Let AI create your content. I know what you're thinking. I don't know how to write an ebook. Don't worry. ChatGPT's got your back. Let's say you want to make a budget planner for students. Here's how. Go to chat.openai. Type the prompt. Now simply give the prompt to the ChatGPT. Create a 10-page beginner-friendly budgeting guide for college students. Include simple tips, checklists, mistakes to avoid, and real-life examples. And hit enter. Boom, in seconds, you'll have an intro chapter, breakdowns, lists, tips, sample exercises. You can also ask ChatGPT to expand a section or rewrite it in a more friendly tone. Pro tip: I've put together a free AI prompt pack PDF with ready-to-use product prompts. Links in the description. Here is where the magic starts, because now you have original content created in minutes, ready to be turned into a product. Step 4. Design in Canva. Okay, so you've got the content. Now let's make it look amazing. We'll use Canva, the easiest design tool ever for everyone. If you've never used Canva, trust me, it's made for non-designers. I was intimidated at first too, but it's literally drag and drop. Here's what to do. Go to Canva, search for ebook template or planner. Choose a template that fits your vibe, copy your text from ChatGPT, paste, adjust, format, add your logo, optional, icons, and photos. Export as PDF, don't overthink it. The goal isn't to win a design award, it's to help people. Keep it clean and useful. Bonus: Canva has an AI tool called Magic Write. You can use it to generate headings or improve content right inside your design. If you want to know more about top AI tools for editing, you can check out the videos on our channel also. I have added the link in the description. Now you've got your finished product, and you haven't even touched Photoshop or Illustrator. Step 5. Sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. Most of our hard work is completed. Now it's time to sell this thing and get paid. We can sell this either on Etsy or Gumroad. I will show you step-by-step process for listening on both platforms. Option 1. Etsy is great for visual, searchable products like planners and journals. Steps: create a free Etsy seller account. Go to Shop Manager, Listings, Add listing. Upload 5 to 10 images of your product. Canva has mockups. Set your price. $5 to $15 works well. Add keywords and a compelling description. Choose digital product. Publish. Etsy handles everything: payments, file delivery, even customer questions. If you need more detailed about Etsy listening, then I have added Etsy digital product guide link in the description you can download. Option 2. Gumroad, perfect for ebooks or templates you want to promote yourself. Steps: go to Gumroad, create a product, upload your PDF, write a short description, set a price, share your link in bios, forums, or YouTube descriptions. Gumroad is great if you want full control and higher margins. Step 6. Promote. All right, final step. Promotion. Let's be real, you can have the best product ever, but if no one sees it, no one buys. Here's are the few channels to create sales funnel for your products without showing your face. Instagram Reels, show a quick budgeting tip. Pinterest, pin your product mockup with a call to action. Facebook groups, share value in niche specific groups. Reddit, join subs like our Etsy, our productivity. YouTube Shorts, make short videos with AI tools. Mention your product. Freebie funnel, give away 1 page of your planner. Upsell the full version. Pro tip: use Canva Smart Mockups to turn your PDF into a 3D looking preview. It increases click-throughs like crazy. A wrap. Let's recap. In just one video, you learned how to create a product with ChatGPT, design it in Canva, sell it on Etsy or Gumroad, promote it, all without showing your face. This is how you go from idea income in 2025 using AI plus digital tools. Download your free AI digital product checklist below to take action today. Drop a comment telling me which niche you're starting with, like if you learned something new, and subscribe to AI Money Secrets for more faceless income strategies every week. Now go take action. Your digital empire won't build itself.